Yo, what's going on? The World of Jones is back again with another one. I know it's been a minute. I hope everybody been having a great day, great month, great week. As you can see, I'm in a new apartment. Give y'all a tour real quick. But yeah, this is the entrance. Front door got the dimmable lights. You know what I'm saying? Real nice when it get nighttime. I'm gonna put up some Amazon lights underneath the cabinets and probably on top. Probably end up ordering that. Just been real busy working. If you're new to the channel, be sure to hit the like button if you like the video, comment, and subscribe, man, so you can stay tuned on what's going on in the world of Jones. But yeah, fridge ain't nothing, you know. There's regular fridge, you know. Got to try this right here. Drink responsibly. If you like Don Julio, I think you'll like that right there. I actually just tried it for the first time yesterday, and it was pretty smooth. But yeah, this is my stove I cook on. Waffle maker back there, even though I don't use it no more. Sink, dishwasher. This apartment comes with the wine cooler. You know what I'm saying? Got that belly on ice for when I have my little housewarming with the boys. My sofa, you know, got the little view of the highway, you know, but it's pretty quiet. My picture, don't forget where you come from, but never lose sight of where you're going. Major keys. My room, still unpacking. Still just put this up, I'm gonna organize this a little bit better. And bathroom. Don't have a walk-in shower anymore, but you know, it's pretty nice. And that's basically the tour. But like as I promised, everybody that did the entered into the World of Jones giveaway, I'm getting ready to do a live. Go ahead and just pick the winner. We use a little random site that picks names based off of what I told y'all to do. And I think only a few people did it, so, and you know, I gave y'all ample amount of time. Actually, it was supposed to be a month, but due to the move, it was really longer than a month. I think it's been like a month and a half, so I'm about to go ahead and do it now. Then I'm about to also give y'all a quick review of the 5,000 mile update on my RAM. So yeah, stay tuned. But yeah, this is my clubhouse. Got the TVs, which are off right now. Sanitizer. Got a little coffee maker over here. I don't drink coffee though, just smoothie. Sink. I think that's another coffee spot. A little chill area right here for thing right here you can hook up your computer. Another little chill area. Game room. Yeah. And then here, got a creative studio. Oh wow. Yep, that's pretty much it. Alright, and we are back. So I just pulled up commentpicker.com and entered in everything I need. The video URL, which was the original giveaway video. Filter comments based on specific text, which is World of Jones giveaway. And I'm finna do it live. Get YouTube comments. So it's 3. Hey, only 3 people entered. And start raffle, pick random winner. All right, Jerlanda Holloman. That's the winner. Round 5K update. Likes and dislikes would be good. You have a lot of, and you put it in World of Jones giveaway. So you're the winner. So congratulations. I guess I'll let, since it was only 3 people that put it in, I'll just let you choose. Either you can I can cash app you $100 or Apple AirPods, and I can just like find a way to like send it to you, or Einstein Auto Lights. Those were the 3. So I guess just if you have an Instagram, send me a message on there. World of Jones 2. That's my Instagram. So congratulations, Jarlanda Holloman. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Thank you for subscribing too, by the way, my man. All right, we are back. So this is gonna be the 5,000 mile review, and currently I have 5,209 miles. That's my current average, 12.9 miles per gallon. Got a heavy foot, man. Well, so far the truck has been it's been great, man. I love it. I have no issues. I guess the only issue I have is driving too fast everywhere. Man. Now one issue I did have is that I was going on a highway, and the truck sounded like the transmission was finna go out, and I was pressing on the gas, and it started basically revving high RPMs, and I thought it was like just gonna stop, but I ended up pulling on the side of the median, turning it off, and then I turned the car back on and it stopped. I think that happened twice, but it was like a while ago, so I don't know. I'll let y'all know. I don't know if it's from just I haven't gotten the oil change yet, or from how I've been driving it. I'm really unsure. Actually, I'm almost due for oil change. I got 34% left right there. So I'm probably gonna need an oil change in about a month, as much as I've been driving. What else? Anything else? The screen, the Uconnect has been great. I haven't had any problems with the screen like lagging or glitching. It connects to Bluetooth good. The USB port works. I've used the power plug, that works. I haven't gotten any error codes from my tailgate bar that I installed. So if you think about getting this truck, I would definitely buy it. I know I got a few subscribers that have subscribed and said they bought the truck. You know, so hey Ram, if you're watching this video, I need some of that some money. You know what I'm saying, for giving y'all some sales. But my son love it. Man, I really don't know what else to, you know what I'm saying, really say about the truck, other than that it's good. The only bad was, like I said, I was driving on the highway and it started doing I was getting on the ramp and it started doing like it went like it was almost like it was stuck in first gear basically, and it would not shift into the second gear. That's the best way I could explain it, and I think that's really what happened. And like I said, I had to pull over and cut the truck off, and then when I cut it back on, it was fine, and it hasn't done it ever since. I think that happened about 3 weeks ago. I've used it to move. That was a big help. Man, is there anything else? I'm trying to think. Is there anything else? Talk about gas mileage. Oh, it's still comfortable as ever. Very fast. It's a very fast truck. It gets up there with ease. I'm also getting ready to, I know it's been a minute, But if you're new to the channel, I'm getting ready to start pumping out some more videos with mods. I've just been tied up with work, my business, and then move. But I got some big announcements coming y'all way. So stay tuned. Everything's about to smooth back out. So yeah, just stay tuned. But yeah, if you got any questions about the truck, feel free to leave them in the comments. I think my next upgrade is gonna be a cold air intake, or either some blacked out. I'm really waiting for the third brake light because I don't want to just black out my two rear lights and then not black out the third brake light. I think it's gonna look weird, so I like to do it all at one time. Or I might end up buying some changing out my headlights, the actual what do you call it, the headlight module, to a different one that's blacked out, and I still use Einstein lighting. If you're looking for lights, be sure to check out Einstein lighting. Use code WOJ10 to get 10% off. I greatly appreciate it. Help out the channel. But yeah, man, hey, that's it. Ain't gonna talk y'all ear off. Yeah, I don't like, yeah. Oh, another thing, the sound system is amazing. I think it's wasp out here. I almost got stung just then. But and that is a big wasp. I wanted to walk around the truck so I could show y'all. But yeah, the sound system is amazing. The ride is amazing. The gas is not so amazing, to sum it up. I get a free, if you buy this truck brand new, you get a free oil change. You get one free oil change, and you get one free tire rotation. You have to do it within a year, and I think if you don't do it within a year, it's voided. Also, you get the Sirius satellite for free. I have Wi-Fi on here, that's also free. They give you the free Uconnect trial. You might as well do it, and basically what that does is it lets you be able to turn your truck on anywhere. You could be in China and you hit turn on, it'll turn on. It also has the horn and lights, or you could lock or unlock the door. But yeah, that's pretty much it, man. Thank you for watching. As always, shout out to my old subscribers, shout out to the new subscribers. And if you haven't already, hey, you already know what to do. Hope y'all been having a great day. Till next time, peace. It's the view from the crib. Wanted to get downtown, but that didn't work out. It's the view. A little windy, hopefully a little windy. No, it ain't. Must have been an accident on the highway, because the traffic been backed up for a while. But yeah, it's a truck. It's dirty. Gotta wash it. Yeah, man. Good old Diamond. That's the name, truck name. No, baby. The rough country.